to another episode of Chasing Light and Dark, where we are digging in our Minecraft world. I'm over here trying to get comfy. My shoulders are a little sore today. Not sure why, they just are. Alright, folks. What were we doing? We were exploring, just emptied everything else out, and we're getting ready to head back. So, let's turn around. I know we'd done this, and we had to check on this. Get those there. If anything else needs to go, I got one that can go in for right now. Get it going so we get it all processed. Eight. Put that there. So that's processing there. Trying to see what I want to do next. Because we got those areas we can go split off from there to go explore. Wait, let me check something. Yeah, we can do that. I think maybe we have enough torches. Yeah, I think we do. Because there's lots of areas around there that we can explore. The question is... Okay. Now, we get down there. There's a mine right under there. And that's going to... go through those doors. It gets us to the outside where the cavern's going down and goes down into stuff. So we go ahead and go on down. Off back the other way goes towards that city. And there's all this area we can explore behind and around it. Okay. Okay. So off that direction, eventually we'll come out to that cavern that comes out above, hopefully. This goes off this direction, back under the mountainside. See, so we could go down there to go explore, or go that way. There's lots of places to go explore from this point on, depending on what we want to go look for. Because we've got that third city down there. We have looked at everything in it. So the question is, do we want to explore further of the other stuff up top, or do we want to keep exploring, the area around the city? I'm trying to think of words, guys. Give me a second. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Uh-oh, hold on. Ooh, sorry about that. Felt that sneeze coming along. Because I have that geode there too. I can go collect some more. Oh, hold on, one more time. Ooh, these sneezes. They're just a little on the annoying side. And there's another one again. Man, it feels like my allergies are acting up. Because I just keep sneezing my head off. Okay, so we can also start going and exploring off these directions, see what's elsewhere up there. Doggone it! This is getting annoying now. Just getting so annoying. Why is my nose? Oh, my nose! So we can go off exploring that way. Exploring further down. Explore this way. Or that way. See what we can find everywhere. Got it. This is getting so dang annoying. Can't stop sneezing. It's driving me crazy. Okay. Damn it! I didn't hear anything else fall, so... Hold on. Maybe I can quit sneezing for like 5 seconds. Oi, oi, oi. Let's see, there's even stuff to go explore that way. There's areas to go exploring that we can go looking at. Let's see. Let's go this way. So much stuff underwater we can go exploring once I get to where I can find a way to breathe underwater reliably. And let's just go this way. Because there are things to go explore around here. Passages to go explore, areas to go explore to find out another way to get to the city other than the way I just came in. So, the question is, where do we want to go? Do we want to go up top to go around and explore? There's a ladder there. That's the way to go around. That's the way around stuff. And this place is up there up top. But there's stuff on this side that we could go through and look. Go through this way. I've already checked underneath there, see what's in there, haven't I? I do believe I have. Come on, get a mouse. You can look through there. If I remember correctly, I've already checked the inside of that thing. Trying to remember how I got in there, but I think I've already got it. Yeah, because that was... I thought somewhere in here is where I dug out a hole. Oh yeah, it's right there. It's where I dug out the hole. To get in and out of there, it was that way. And now, there was a couple of things here. You could ride up that, supposedly. Should take you up above that. What have we got up here? Interesting. Okay. Interesting. That is an interesting thing. There's a lot of waterfalls everywhere. Oh, hey, guess what we found? Another geode. And this one's high up above. Do that. Do this. Do this. Do this. Oh, okay, where that gold is up above. Oh, okay. That's an interesting thing to find. And that's not going to find a way that way. It's just going to be a hole. Waterfalls down there. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, we'll do this. Lets me come in here. Okay, awesome. Awesome. It's all growing. Now there is some gold here, which if I'm not careful is going to fall through the floor. Oh good, it's not going to fall through the floor. I was careful enough apparently. Okay. Some shards we can go. Oh! Oh! This way, and then up and over. Ooh! Nice. There we go. And there's more that will grow and refract the light everywhere where we need it. Okay, cool. I'll do that. So that was something interesting we found up here. And there goes my doggy. He's seen something that has definitely caught his attention. And I'm looking down there. I'm like, is there something up there that I can climb on? Just trying to see. Okay. Let me get this so I can put torches up here. And the water just comes out of the tuff right there. Hold on. What is this up here? What was that? Come on, pickaxe. Ooh, what do we find here? It's a little room of tuff. With a, ooh, some iron. Okay. That'll work. I'll take that. Looks like that's all that is. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait a second, this way. Okay. I mean, it's, hey, check it out. See what it is. Oh, I need to get this get the camera steady so I can see what I'm looking at without making myself dizzy as can be. There's a wall. It's a hole right there. And that's going around the other side of that wall. So there's a hole up here that should go, and you should be able to see. Right there. Yep, there's a hole going that way. Nice little chunk of iron. Going right beside that. And you have to go over it to get into it. So. Let's go this way. Why is there dirt there? There's water dripping from above, though. I'm under the granite, and there is water coming through the granite. Okay. I mean, the dripstone I could see, you know, if it was water coming from, but water's coming from granite. So we do not want to knock that loose, so I'll send water rushing through, because if it's dripping through granite, ooh, that's not good. Let's see, what else is up here? A little further up. Kind of look around everywhere. You alright? I'm hearing all the cars outside and the area going vroom vroom. There's people just racing them everywhere. If I start sounding like a little kid when I'm talking about it, it's just, I'm tired. I'm to the point I'm mentally tired and exhausted. Okay. So my brain will do whatever it wants to just to go bleh. Ooh, got coal above my head. Okay, hold on. I see dripstone. That can be a little dangerous. Because it all depends on how thick that dripstone is. And something tells me, step back. Alright, I might be fine there. Whoa, too far. Wrong way. Oh, and then there's iron. Of course there's iron. Of course there's iron. And then that's where that goes. No telling when that piece of iron went. Other than except for maybe in the water all the way down. And I could have gone that way or that way. Dang it. Well, we're going to go back up here. Kind of sort to the other side because kind of was running out of direction. We will go find out where this water is coming from. Because it looks like I can find out a little bit here. Copper. Ah. It's coming out of that. There's greenery up there. Oh! What is this? I don't know how I avoided it, but somehow I avoided it. Don't know. Somehow I looked out and missed it. Bit of lava there. There's something out there. Alright, hold on. Let me look at my map for a second. Oh, that's where we're at, are we? Cool, cool. Oh, hold on. There we go. I see sky, I think. Okay. Aha! If I can get to that, I can climb up and out completely. Wow. Let's do this. So I can see kind of where we're at. Woo! Okay. That is the tree we are under. That's one way they can get us down there. So let's see where we are at. Where are we? Now that. Ah, the lava. Okay, that's the lava in the bamboo fields. Okay, so it's over here in the. Okay. And From those bamboo fields that we found. Hi, little guy. Bamboo fields we found. Yeah, those guys. That's where that goes. Okay. Hi there, little fella. Oh. Now, this doesn't quite lead back in the exact same way. Because, look at the map. Okay, so we're on the other side. What are you doing, doggy? Because that's where those stones are. Where are we at? Too far. Too far the other side. What are you barking about, baby? He's just barking like crazy. Let's see. Wait a second. Hold on. Because there's the pumpkins. Okay, so let's clear to the other side of that. Come on out. Clear to the other side. Way over there. So it's way under that is where that is. Okay. Okay. And that is literally under that. Talk about a controlled descent. Whew. That is so cool. Okay. Now. If we do this, we keep going and we can find some other cavern systems to go explore off that direction. Some coal. We have to be careful when going this way because the water. Because that's got magma. Ooh, there's a little something to go look at and explore. Oh, something goes down here. Wait, no, let's leave it there. Little hole. With some iron. Oops. Okay. Come on. Alright. Alright, so that's there, that's there. Okay, so that gets us out here, and out here. Okay, cool. We found a little bit of iron. Awesome. Okay, sometimes doesn't hurt to the... Okay, that goes off that way. Ooh. Might be some more stuff off that direction too, huh? Yeah, how much we would be... I don't know how we want to dig through that. Ooh. Some water up this way too. Tells you there's some water stored up this way. You can hear the bats fussing. Okay, let's check in that way. And let's go this way so I do not fall and hurt myself. I'll hurt myself enough as it is. Ooh, is it lapis? I see lapis. I see lapis. Ooh, what's off here? And iron. Ooh. Oh. Now this was... Doggy, I know I hear you. That's a big old thingy. Another big old field of skulk. If you weren't paying attention, you'd be going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay, we're holding on here. Wow. I've been down there. This torch. It's that spot. Okay. It's that spot. Okay. Just kind of a sky view of it now. Okay. We're going back this way. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me grab this iron while I'm here. I didn't think I've been playing that long, but my eyeball's already starting to burn and it's driving me crazy. Okay, hold on. There's the lapis. Alright, hold on. Was there any more through there? I don't think there was. Square to it. Because I know I saw some above and some below. Okay, no, I think that was it of the lapis. Yeah, that was it of the lapis. Okay, so we've gone and explored that way, that way, that way. Man, the dog's outside going crazy. Now, you gotta be careful going this way, or we're gonna hit the lava. There's not another way up there. I have to figure out some way to climb up there. Now, make sure I gotta hold the shift. See if there's any part that I might have missed. Because of the gloob gloob gloob. I don't think so, and it doesn't look like there's an easy way to climb up there to that. There's one right up there. Okay. Okay, let's go this way. Oh, and off he goes. Those almost look like centaurs up there. Yeah, those look like sensors rather than the, the alarm system. Alright, let's go this way. See, this is going to get me over here towards this, towards all of that. And this is a way to continue on exploring off that direction. And before I do that, let me do... There's a little bat. Making noises. We're gonna do that. I am tired. My eyeballs are burning, and I am going to call it a day, folks. Oof. Okay. Alright, folks. Yeah, it's getting to where I can't see no more, so I'm going to have to call it a day. We've kind of explored some more around the area around here, because kind of need to know what we were looking at. Because, I mean, yeah, I mean, you look out this way. Wait, where were we? This way? Let me go back this way. Hold on a second. Oh, of course it's going to do that. That just means there's a storm nearby. I mean, look at that. Look at that view right there. So, that's like, what are you doing, doggy? My dog's being weird. But you see that, okay, that is a dripstone just built on nothing. Okay. Alright, that's just, okay, that's just weird things. See, I keep finding weird things when I come back and look at stuff. But yeah. Storm's nearby. I don't know if you can hear it. But yeah. As you see right there, there is redstone, skulk. But yeah. But yeah, pretty much this is the way we need to go this next time. Because we just kind of exploring all around in general. Yeah. We're just exploring all around in general. So yeah. Next time, we'll continue on. Probably going off this way, see what all's here. We're close enough to the surface, you can hear the thunderstorms when they do their things. So there's probably bound to be some more around, too. Alright, folks. I mean, oh, I just said, that makes no sense. Yeah, I definitely need to go. I'm not making any sense anymore. Alright, folks. I'm glad y'all joined me today. I love y'all. Y'all be safe. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I will see y'all next time, okay? Bye.